Dear student, very warm good morning all of you. Chapter 11, perimeters and area. Perimeter means all the boundary, and area means that is included whole diagram is there. So exercise 11.1 and 11.2 we are doing here. First 11.1. Question number 1. The length and breadth of a rectangular piece of land 50 meter, 300 meter, 500, 300 meter respectively. Find its area. So that first, length is equal to 500 meter, breadth is equal to that is 300 meter. So that first part, area is equal to that is L into B. L into B, 500 into 300 is equal to 5 3 ja 15, 0000 meter square. And then second part of that one is cost. So that is cost is equal to that rupees is given here, that is 10,000, and then multiply area. That is multiply 15 1 ja 15, and then 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. इसमें triple and double rupees. Second question, find the area of square whose perimeter is given there. That is a perimeter is given there. So that first of all we will find the side. So side is equal to that is perimeter upon 4 is equal to 320 upon 4 area, that is 80 meter. And then area is equal to that is side square. Side square means 2 times side. 80 into 80 is equal to 8 8 ja 64 and 00 meter square. Find the breadth of the rectangular plot, and then area is given. Third, area is equal to that is 440 meter square, and then length is given 22 meter. So breadth is equal to area upon length. So that is 440 upon 20, 22 ja, that is 20 meter. That is a breadth. Fourth question, that perimeter of rectangular sheet is this one, and then length is that. Find the breadth. So that is perimeter is given there 100 centimeter, and then length is also given, that is 35 centimeter. So that perimeter we know that perimeter is equal to 2 bracket L plus B. So that perimeter is 100 is equal to 2 bracket 35 plus B. So that 2 will become that side. So this will be 200 upon 2 is equal to 35 plus B. 35 plus B. So that will be 100. Oh, just a minute. That is 100. So this will be 100. 100, yes, this 50 ja, and then 50, this will come this side, that will be minus, is equal to B. So B is equal to that is 15 centimeter. Breadth is 50. Also find area. So area is equal to L into B. So that L is 35 into 15 is equal to, that will be 525 centimeter square. These two are the answers. And then question number 5. The area of a square park is the same as the rectangular park. Side is equal to 60. So side is equal to 60, that is in meter. And then length is equal to is given also. Length is equal to that is 90 meter. So that area of rectangle is equal to area of square. So that L into B is equal to side square. So that L is given 90 multiply B is equal to 60 multiply 60. So that B is equal to 60 multiply 60 upon 90. 0 cancel by 0. 3 3 ja, 3 2 ja, 3 2 ja. That is B is equal to 40 meter. 40 meter. Then sixth question. Sixth question you will be see here. Sixth question is that a wire in the shape of a rectangle, its length is 40 and breadth is 22. If the same wire is rewound in the shape of a square, what will be the measure of each side? Also find which shape enclose more area. So that length is equal to, that is given 40 centimeter, and then breadth is equal to, that is given 22 centimeter. 22 centimeter. So perimeter is equal to, that will be 2 bracket L plus B. So that 2 bracket 40 plus 22, that is 2 into 2 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 6 ja 12, 124 centimeter. Now side is equal to rebending of that one. So that is perimeter upon 4. So that 120 upon 4, that is 4 3 ja 4 1 ja, that is 31 centimeter. Now we will find the both area. So area of rectangle, area of rectangle is equal to L into B, that is 40 into 22, that will be 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja 8 centimeter square. Area of square, area of square, that will be side square. So that is side is 31 into 31, that will be 1 1 ja 1, 3 1 ja 3, 3 1 ja 3, 6, 3 3 ja 9 centimeter square. So which area enclose more? Which area enclose more? That is the square area enclose more. Square area enclose more. Square area. Square area. And then next question. And then seventh question, you see here that the perimeter of rectangle is 130 if the breadth of the rectangle is 30 centimeter. That perimeter is equal to 130, that is centimeter, and then breadth is equal to given 30 centimeter. So length, we need to find the length and also area also. So perimeter of rectangle is equal to 2 bracket L plus B, and then that perimeter is 130 is equal to 2 bracket L plus 30. So first of all this will come this side, that will be upon 2, so L plus 30, and then that will be 6 ja 5 ja 65, that will come this side, so that will be 30 is equal to L. So that is L is equal to, this will be 5 3 35 centimeter. L is equal to 35 centimeter, and then area. Area is equal to L into B. So that is 35 into 30. So that is 3 5 ja 15, this is 9 1 10 centimeter square. Eighth question. A door of length 2 meter and width is 1 meter fitted in a wall. The length of a wall is 4.5 and breadth is 3.5. Find the cost of whitewashing the wall. Last rate is given 20 per meter square. So first of all, we'll find the area of wall. Area of wall is equal to, that is, area of wall length and breadth is given 4.5 into 3.6 minus, that will be 2 into 1. 2 into 1. So that will be, this will become 2 1 ja 2, because we are reducing the wall, that is door. We are reducing the door from wall. So that will be 3.56. So that will be 286. 286. The multiply of that one, that will be 286. So that is a 284 meter square. Now cost. Cost is equal to, that is rate given 20 and then 284 by multiply, that will be, that will be 2 4 ja 8, 2 4 ja, that cost of wall, that is a, that multiply we can see again here. This multiply we will see again here, because that is just missing is that we will see here multiply 4.5, 3.6, 6 5 ja 30, 6 4 ja 24, 3 27, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12 and 13, and then 0 5 2 3 2 5 1 6 1, that is 16.2. 16.2 minus 2, that will be 14.2 meter square. And then cost we will find. Cost is equal to rupees 20. 20 multiply 14.2, that will be rupees, that 0 reduced by decimal. So 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 284 rupees. And then question number, thus this exercise is done. Now the next exercise, that this exercise is not difficult than this one. This is also very easy exercise. 11.1 question number 1, that is, find the area of the parallelogram. So first A part is that area of parallelogram, base into height. So that base is given 7 and height is given 4, 7 4 ja 28, that is centimeter square. Similarly B part you can do, and then see the D part, that is area of parallelogram is equal to, that is base into height. So that base is given here 5 and then height is given that 4.8, and then 5 8 ja 40, and then carry 4, 5 4 ja 20, and then 24 centimeter square. And then E part also, see that area is equal to, that is base into height. So that base is given here 2 and then height is 4.4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 2 ja 8 decimal centimeter square. And then second question, then find the area of triangle. So that triangle area, that we know that area of triangle is equal to, that is 1/2 into base into height. So that 1/2 into base is given 4 and then height is 3. 2 2 ja 4. So that is 3 2 ja 6 centimeter square. And then see the B part also, that area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So that 1/2 into base is here 5 and then height is 3.2. So that 16. So 16 5 ja 80, it means 8 centimeter square. And then D part you can do, but see that here area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So 1/2 into base is here 3 and height is 2. 2 1 ja, so that is 3 centimeter square. And then third question, Similarly, you will be apply, and then that will be answer come height 12.3, and then base you will be apply, that will be 10.3, and C part that will be apply similarly, that will be 5.8, and D part you will be similarly apply, then that will be 1.05. And then fourth question also you will apply same. Here you will be apply the area of triangle. Here we have apply area of parallelogram. So that will be 11.6, that will be 80, that will be next will be 15.5. And then question number 5. Now the question number 5 is that pick a parallelogram in figure that is given here. If the height from Q to SR and SN, that is a height that SR is equal to 12 and QM is equal to this. So find the area of parallelogram. So that fifth, that area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So that base is given here 12 and then height is given here 7.6. So 12 6 ja 72, carry 7, 12 7 ja, that is 12 6 ja 72, carry 7, 84, 7 91, that is centimeter square, that is 91 centimeter square. And then we need to find the SP also. SP is given, we need to find QN. So that area is equal to base into height. Base into height, area is 91.2 is equal to, that is QN. We need to find that, QN is a height, base is 8 given, and then QN. So that this will become 91.8 upon 8, that is QN. So by division 8 1 ja 8, then left 1, 8 1 ja 8, that is 3 8 4 ja 32. So QN is equal to 11.4 centimeter. 11.4 centimeter. Fifth question we have done. Now we will see the sixth question. Sixth question, that is also based on fifth question. Based on fifth question, that is, that will be given, area is given, parallelogram area is given there, and AB is given also. So we need to find that BM. So area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. So area is given there, that is 1470 is equal to, the base is given 35 into that, we need to find that, we have taken the AB, so we will find the DL, that is a height of DL. So 1470 upon 35 is equal to DL. So that cancel by 7, 7 5 ja 7, 2 ja 7 1 ja, and then cancel by 5, 5 4 ja 5 2 ja. So DL is equal to 42 centimeter. And then again area we will find that, we will put that area is equal to base into height. Now that area, base is AD is given here, base is AD given here, that is 49, and then multiply, we need to find that here BM. So that 17 upon 49, that is a BM. So that 7 7 ja 7 2 ja 7 1 ja, then by 7 3 ja, that is BM is equal to, that is 30 centimeter. Seventh question, this based on triangle. So that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle at A. AD is a perpendicular of BC. If AB is equal to 5 and then BC is equal to 13 AC is equal to 12. Find the area of ABC and also find the length of AD. We need to find the length of AD. Here is a two part in that question, 7th question, two part is there. So area of triangle is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that 1 upon 2, that base is 5 or 12 we can say, and then height is 5. 2 6 ja, that is 30 centimeter. And then we need to find that AD also. So again we will put the area. Area is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. That area we have already find here. And then 1 upon 2 into base is 13. Base is 13 and then height is, that is AD. And then this will come, upon thing will be go multiply, and then 13 is equal to AD. So AD is equal to, that is 32 ja 60 upon 13 centimeter. 60 upon 30 centimeter. And then B part, similarly you will be do. 8th question. ABC isosceles triangle. AB is equal to AC. Here we will draw the diagram also. A, B, C. A, B, C. AB and AC is equal to 7.5. AB and AC 7.5, that is 7.5. And then BC is equal to 9. Then height AD from A, that to BC is 6, that is height 6. Height 6, find the area of ABC. So area of ABC is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So that 1 upon 2 into 9 into 6. So 2 3 ja. So that is 9 3 ja 27. That is in a centimeter square. We have find what will be the height from C to AB. C to AB. So that one height also we need to find that. So that area, again area is equal to 1 upon 2 into base into height. So area is 27 we have find it, and 1 upon 2, and then base is 7.5. 7.5 into height is equal to, that will be 27 into 2 upon 7.5 is equal to height. So this decimal is reduced, so that will be 0. So 5 4 ja, and then 5 15 ja, and then by 3 5 ja, 3 9 ja. That height is equal to, that will be 9 4 ja 36 upon 5 centimeter. Similarly you will be, or you can write in decimal form also, that is a 5 6 ja 5 7 ja 35, and then left is 1 5 2 ja 10 centimeter. That is also answer. That is a 8th question. Okay.